In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward email messages sent to your Gmail account to another address step by step in a quick and easy way. This is a really useful feature if you want to manage all your emails in one inbox, back up important messages, or make sure you never miss anything when checking multiple accounts. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once the Gmail login page loads, sign in to the Gmail account that you want to forward messages from. Make sure you're using the correct account because the forwarding settings are tied to the specific Gmail inbox you're changing. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. From the menu that appears, click See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings page where you can access advanced options like forwarding, POP, and IMAP. On the settings page, click the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. This is the section where Gmail lets you control how incoming mail is handled and where it can be sent. Under the Forwarding section, click Add a forwarding address. A small window will pop up asking you to enter the email address you want to forward messages to. Type in the destination email address carefully because this is where your Gmail messages will be sent. Double check the address before continuing so you don't forward your emails to the wrong place. Once you've entered the address, click Next, then click Proceed, and then click OK when prompted. Gmail will now send a confirmation message to the other email account to verify that you own or control that address. Now open the other email account that you entered as the forwarding destination. Look for the email from Gmail that contains the confirmation request. If you don't see it right away, check the spam or promotions folder just in case it was filtered there. Inside that email, click the verification link. This confirms that you want Gmail to forward messages to that address. Once you click the link, the forwarding setup is verified and Gmail can begin routing incoming messages to the new inbox. After that, go back to your Gmail forwarding settings if needed and make sure the forwarding option is enabled according to your preference. From this point on, your Gmail messages will be automatically forwarded to the other address you chose. And that's it. You've successfully set up Gmail forwarding to another email address. This is a simple but powerful way to stay organized and keep all your important messages in the right place. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Gmail and email tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.